Digital transformation initiatives for industry, they are done by people. So to ensure success for these initiatives, these people must work together. And again, to ensure success, different actors must cooperate. And it takes really broad range of actors. So let's look which actors have to work together. So it starts with the data connectivity. So there, the umbrella for the role is data engineering, and it involves a broad range of specialists, starting from the network specialists to ensure that IT and OT networks, they talk to each other, all the permissions are set up and the data is flowing well. Then the next one is mainly the meat of the project. So here it involves anybody or everybody who knows what's happening in the process which is related to the project. And there can be process engineers, it can be operators, it can be workers from the shop floor. So all people who possess the knowledge, they have to contribute to this phase. And of course, they need to work with the previous leg, with data engineering, to ensure that the data that they need for the project is flowing. Then the next one, it is intelligence. So if there is any sort of intelligence involved in the initiative, which usually is, then there can be a role of data scientist. And this role, data scientists, they usually know math quite well, but they don't really know the production process well. So they really need to work tightly with all the actors who know the production process. So they need to get the knowledge, translate it into some insights, translate it into data, and then validate all the conclusions with these stakeholders. And of course, they continuously need to work with data engineers to ensure the quality and the format of the data is the right one. And the last but not the least is business. So business stakeholders, they may not necessarily participate in each step of the project, but they are the ones who are setting the goals, who are setting the KPIs and try to steer the team, the project team, to make sure that these KPIs are fulfilled. And the business roles, they can be plant manager, it can be head of operations of some division, for example, head of maintenance. And all these business people, of course, they will look at the KPIs at the end of the project, and they are the ones who will validate the success. So again, all these stakeholders, they work together to ensure that the project is a success.